Speed isn't always the first thing that comes to mind when we think about DIY projects. Usually, there's an image of careful planning, measuring twice and cutting once, and sometimes hours spent troubleshooting unexpected problems. But every once in a while, a project comes along that's so simple, so brilliantly efficient, that it's finished before you know it. Today, let's explore what it feels like to tackle the fastest DIY project ever. One that's not only swift, but also surprisingly satisfying. Imagine walking into your workspace with a burst of motivation. You're craving that sense of accomplishment, but you don't have hours to spare. Maybe you spot a bare wall that could use a touch of personality, or perhaps you notice a drawer that always sticks, slowing down your morning routine. The fastest DIY project is all about finding those little opportunities, those quick wins that can make a big difference. Let's say you decide to create a custom key holder for your entryway. You gather your supplies, a scrap piece of wood, a few hooks, some paint or stain, and a screwdriver. The clock is ticking, but you're unfazed. First, you sand down the wood, just enough to smooth out the rough edges. The tactile sensation of transforming raw material in a matter of minutes is incredibly rewarding. Next, you choose a color that matches your space and swipe on a coat of paint or stain. While it dries, you lay out the hooks, spacing them evenly. Once the paint is set, you twist the hooks in, feeling the satisfying resistance as they secure into place. Before you know it, you're holding a finished product, a functional and stylish key holder ready to hang by your front door. The entire process has taken less than 30 minutes, but the impact on your daily routine is immediate. No more searching for keys in a rush, no more clutter on the counter. And the best part? You did it yourself in almost no time at all. Fast DIY projects aren't just about speed, they're about the joy of seeing instant results. Sometimes, it's as simple as swapping out cabinet hardware, turning a dated kitchen into a fresh, modern space in the span of an afternoon. Other times, it's creating a decorative shelf from a single plank of wood and a couple of brackets, adding both storage and style with just a few screws. The beauty of these projects is that they fit into busy schedules and don't require a workshop full of tools or specialized skills. They're accessible, approachable, and endlessly customizable. There's a unique thrill in watching an idea come to life so quickly. You start with a vision, gather your materials, and in a flash, you're admiring the finished product. It's a reminder that creativity doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Sometimes the best projects are the ones that let you dive in, make a change, and move on with your day, feeling accomplished and inspired. What makes the fastest DIY projects truly special is their ability to spark confidence. Finishing something quickly builds momentum, encouraging you to tackle bigger challenges in the future. Each completed project adds to your skill set, showing that DIY isn't just about building or fixing. It's about discovering what you're capable of, one step at a time. So next time you're looking for a burst of satisfaction, consider a fast DIY project. Whether it's hanging a picture, assembling a piece of furniture, or crafting a simple home accessory, the process is a celebration of creativity, resourcefulness, and the joy of making something with your own hands. In just a few moments, you can transform your space and your mood with the power of DIY.